Okay, so when we are solving this question, first thing to remember, as I said to you on the chat a second ago, is what BEDMAS stands for. So brackets first, then exponents, then it says division and multiplication, but they're on the same level, working from the left over to the right. Same with addition and subtraction. They come last, but they're together. Whatever comes first, moving from the left to the right. So first, obviously, we have some brackets here and here. So within the brackets, we're going to follow BEDMAS as well. So there's no other brackets within here, but there is an exponent. So I'm not sure if you remember how to do an exponent, but 3 squared, or 3 to the 2, suggests that we're going to have 3 times 3, or 2 3s. So 3 times 3 is obviously 9. So I've moved that out of the way down here, but that's our important first step. So we're going to write our whole step again with that change. So now we know 9 plus, and we've done 3 squared, which is 9, minus 2 times 4. Now, after exponents, I'm looking for any division or multiplication within the brackets, moving from the left to the right. There is some multiplication. 2 times 4, obviously that's 8, so I rewrite. 9 plus 9 minus, I did the 2 times 4 already, 8. We're still within the brackets, and we've looked at division multiplication, we've done that. Obviously all that's left is the addition subtraction, which we have 9 minus 8. 9 take away 8, obviously 1. So now we just have 9 plus 1 equals 10. Hope that helps. If it doesn't, please ask me more questions in the chat. Thank you.